Here's the new jet capsule system as featured on the Gardiner brushes. Each of the jet capsule brushes has a special jet capsule hole, and into this you can very simply fit one of the new jet capsules. These are 2mm black pencil jets. You just place the 2 jets into the hole and then you twist 45 degrees to the right. You can do that by hand or with a pair of pliers or even with a little widget if you're changing a lot of them to make it easier. So if you want to change, you take them out and you can fit another pair. This is 1.4mm pencil jets. You push them in, push and twist, and then to fit the jet hose, you take the 6mm jet hose and you push and firmly push them into the back of the jet, like so. Let's have a look at that on a bigger brush. We have the 35cm universal brush with 4 jet options. You can fit either 2 or 4. So if we were to take the 3mm pencil jets, push them all into place, and then a 45-degree turn and click to the right, and you've fitted 4 jets. And once again, they can be changed if desired. Same's true on an ultimate brush. You can take 2 of the grey 100-degree fan jets, click them into place, and you're ready to fit the jet hose and use.